How to animate an arrow in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and a paint node and connect them to Media Out. Select Background node and set Alpha to 0. Select Paint node, then at the top of Viewer click on Polygon Strokes. Click in the viewer to add 2 points. Expand brush controls, set softness to 0, and decrease size to your liking. Click on the color and choose a color you like. Now expand stroke controls and bring right on second handle to the left. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to Write On to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead 10 frames forward and drag right on second handle to the right to add another keyframe. Now we have this line animation. Move the playhead to frame 10 again. Make sure the paint node is still selected and click on Polygon Strokes again. Click on the viewer 3 times to make the head of the arrow. Once again set Write On end value to 0 and click on diamond button. Move the playhead 5 frames forward and set Write On end value to 1 to make the second keyframe. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition above your video. Select the composition and in the inspector adjust the size, position, and rotation of the arrow.